Hello YouTube. Got a little trouble in paradise, I guess you can say. Car's been running really bad all of a sudden out of the blue. Now this car did sit for a really long time, so I'm expecting to have a few issues here and there. I've gone through and done a tune-up, but I'm having a fuel issue, so I'm thinking it's just a carburetor rebuild. So I'm in the process of rebuilding the carburetor right now, and hopefully that takes care of my problem. After I get done with that, one of the next details I'm going to do on the car that I haven't done yet is on the car they have like a big tube that comes out of this box, goes around the ladder, comes down the side, and kind of goes right here. It looks like I think it's like a vent tube or something. And then I'm also going to finish up the proton pack holder that's in the back of the car. But just doing a little small update on the car. Outside of that, I mean, the car overall runs good. I'm just having a fuel delivery issue is what I believe it is. So we're going to do a tune-up and let's see how it runs. Thanks for watching.